2.3 covers sampling techniques. So first we're going to start with the definition of population and sample. So what a population is it refers to all of the individuals who belong to a group being studied. Okay, so that's really important that it's all the individuals. So for example, all the students in an MDN4U class, so every single student, all teachers at Mathville School, so every single teacher, or all Canadians who live in Ontario. Okay, just simple examples, but you need to account for every single person. Now, to actually census a population, it takes a lot of time and it's a lot of money. So many times when you're taking a sample, so you're taking a survey, you're only actually going to take a sample of the population, okay? Saves time, it saves money. It just needs to be representative of the entire population, not just one group. So we'll get more into that. And what a sample is it refers to a group of individuals within that population, okay? So it's just a group. So to refer back to the population, we could sample 5 students from MDN4U. We could sample 25% of the teachers at Mathville School, and we could sample the residents of Niagara Falls to represent Ontario, just for an example. Okay, so example 1, let's identify a population. So identify the population for each of the following questions. A says the individuals voting for the grade 12 rep for student council. So who would vote for grade 12 rep? Well, usually it's only the grade 12s. So all, I would put that in, all grade 12 students. Usually grade 9s, 10s, and 11s don't. Well, it would be the 11s because it would be done the year before. Obviously, they go into grade 12, but it'd be all the grade 12 to B students. Okay, what is your favorite type of basketball shoe? All individuals, individuals that wear basketball shoes. Let's say basketball shoes. Okay, you're not going to ask somebody that doesn't wear basketball shoes what their favorite basketball shoe is, okay? But if you wanted to survey, what is your favorite type of basketball shoe? That's your question. You need to survey, in order for it to be population, every single person that wears basketball shoes, okay? And do men prefer to wear glasses or contact lenses? I would say all men. Kind of like with eye problems, right? That need maybe corrective lenses. And when you do this, people are going to have, students will have different answers, and that's okay, as long as your answers make sense. Okay? You can say all men that have astigmatism, or all men that do not have 20/20 vision, right? So you can describe it different ways. Now, when collecting data, there are many different ways to sample, and that's what we're going to go over now. We sample a small number of people from an entire population in order to get a representative collection. So that's the most important thing. If it's not representative, it's biased. And we're going to go into biases later, okay? But they're kind of going to be embedded in here. You'll see. There are different kinds of samples that one can take, depending on such things as convenience or funding. Okay, so convenience. Is it convenient for you to travel to every single person in all of Canada and ask them the same question? No. Do you have enough money? Probably not. Okay, so the first one we're going to touch on is simple random sample. And this is when every member of a population has an equal chance of being chosen. So this is completely random, okay? Picking a name out of a hat. I do this when we have to go up for presentations. I get all the students to put their name in a hat and I pull, okay? Or for a bigger population, you could sample it by using a name generator, right? So completely off the computer, so it chooses a random name, okay? And that's more 2017 now. And assigning a number to everyone and then randomly choosing numbers. So this is like kind of the same. This can be twined into like computer generated or like picking a name out of a hat, where you just assign a number to everyone and then you pick numbers. But regardless, it's completely random and everybody has an equal chance of being chosen. Those are the two main criteria